step right, come over the top. Look left, step right, come over the top. Look left, step right, come over the top. Last time, look left, step right, come over the top, back into overhand butterfly. And we'll do a butterfly turnaround left, left out, right in, left out, right in. Now turn to the right, right out, left in, right out, left in. Now we'll traverse, so move over to the right side of your stage, and then we're gonna turn left, left out, step right, right hand in, facing away from me. Flip your left hand out, step your left hand back, and flip your right hand back into overhand butterfly. Now we'll go the other way, right out, step your left foot forward, bring your left hand into underhand butterfly facing away, step your right foot back as you flip your right one out, and you turn back to the front. Let's do it a little faster. So left turn, moving left, left out, step and turn, right in, left out, step and turn, right in, going to the right, right out, step and turn, left in, right out, step and turn, left in, going left again, left out, step and turn, right in, and left out, step and turn, right in, turning right, right out, step and turn, left in, right out, step and turn, left in, and last set, left out, step and turn, right in, and left out, step and turn, right in, and going to the right, right out, step and turn, left comes into underhand, and right out, step and turn, left comes back into overhand butterfly. Now thread the needle again, bring it back up over your head, and this time we're going to tap the left point on the butt, come into clockwise corkscrew, turning to the right, and then bring it down, tap it on the hip, and come back up into counterclockwise C-caps, so your sprinkler, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last one. Now turn to the left, and then 360, and come back into your tap, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, turning left again. You're going to do that 2 more times, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, turning left, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and now go to the right, turn to right in the anti-spin, come back around to the front, and then come down and tap, up and over, and down and tap, up and over, and down and tap, up and over, and down and tap, up, over, turn, and come down and tap, and up, over, turn, and come down and tap, and up, over, turn, down and tap, and up, over, turn, down, tap. Now add a jump, up, over, turn, jump, down, tap, up, over, turn, jump, down, tap, up, over, turn, jump, down, tap. Last one, up, over, turn, jump, down, tap, into the counterclockwise corkscrew, bring it up into the pinwheel, and then go into the giant on the left, and do the swivel, 4, 3, 2, 1, back to your pinwheel, come down into your overhand weave on the left, open it up, chase the sun counterclockwise, 4, 3, get ready to go under the leg, 2, now this time come under the leg, 1, up, over, come into the buzzsaw, bring it back behind your back, do a kick, come back out, release, and chase the sun, 4, 3, 2, we're going to go under the leg on 1, and here we go, under the leg, up, over, wrap it up, buzzsaw, 1 more time, bring it behind the back, kick, come back to the front, release to full length, chase the sun, 4, 3, 2, get ready, come under the leg, here we go, and under the leg, up, wrap it, short poi, buzzsaw, bring it behind the back, hold your buzzsaw, lift your leg, and release, bring it to the front, let go, chase the sun, last set, 4, 3, 2, and under the leg, up, wrap the poi, come into your buzzsaw, bring it behind your back, hold it, pose it, lift that leg, kick the leg, and bring it back to the front, release, overhand weave, and step your right foot forward, 360 in the weave, turn around, coming all the way around, back to the side and overhand, and now turn to the right, 360, and turn left, 360, and right, 360. Did you say something?